Sift. Sift the flour and baking powder together. Strain. Strain the custard to remove lumps. Grate. Grate the cheese. Whisk. Whisk the eggs and then add the sugar. Cut. Cut the tomatoes. Chop. Chop the onion and carrots. Slice. Slice the tomato. Peel. Harry peeled the apple. Crush. Crush 2 cloves of garlic. Knead. Knead the dough until smooth. Roll out. Roll out the pastry on a flat surface. Bake. Bake bread in a hot oven for 45 minutes. Fry. Fry the onion until golden brown. Flip. Flip the pancake to cook the other side. Pour. Pour the water in the glass. Stir. Stir until the coffee dissolved. Dissolve. Dissolve the salt in warm water. Mix. Mix all the ingredients in a large bowl. Fold. Fold the flour into cake mixture. Mash. Mash the potatoes and then mix in the butter. Spread. He spread mango jam on his toast. Drain. Drain and rinse the pasta. Melt. Melt 2 ounces of butter in saucepan. Preheat. Preheat the oven to 180 C. Simmer. Let the soup simmer for a few minutes. Blanch. Blanch the tomatoes for 15 minutes. Garnish. Garnish the chicken with lemon and parsley. Measure. Measure a cup of flour and sift into the bowl. Boil. Bring the milk to boil. Heat. Heat the oil on medium flame. Freeze. Freeze the leftover food. Refrigerate. Refrigerate the marinated chicken overnight. Coat. Coat the chicken with flour, egg, and bread crumbs. Stuff. Stuff the meatballs with mozzarella. Sear. Sear the meat first to maintain its juices. Marinate. Marinate the chicken for overnight. Season. Season with salt and pepper.